Hi, my name is Cashin. I'm the community manager here at Gatsby, and I'm here today to talk to you about our upcoming Gatsby Ambassador Program. Before I get started, I have a couple of disclaimers. First, the program is not public yet. We are getting ready to launch a small pilot program with a few community members who've already been selected, and we're going to work with them on a few projects. We're going to figure out some of the last details, and once we feel like the program is ready for prime time, we'll open it up for public applications. Second, Gatsby Ambassador Program is a working title, and it may change in the next few months if we find anything especially exciting, so just a heads up there. So what is the Gatsby Ambassador Program, and why are we launching one? As I'm sure many of you know, Gatsby has an amazing community of folks who are enthusiastic, who want to share their love and their knowledge of Gatsby with others, who contribute, and who want to be able to play a role in the future of Gatsby. And so the Ambassador Program is an opportunity for those community members who want to take their participation a step further to become community leaders. They could become community advocates and share the perspectives and experiences of the broader community with the Gatsby team and help the Gatsby team make sure we're living our value of transparency. And of course, for those community members to build their own reputations as Gatsby experts in the broader tech community. And we would expect ambassadors to be doing things like public speaking or teaching. They could mentor or pair with other community members. They could organize community events. They can, of course, contribute to Gatsby open source and whatever else they want to bring to the table. We're definitely open. And ambassador participants will then work with the Gatsby developer relations team to pick some projects and set some goals and figure out how Gatsby can best support those projects and help them be as awesome as they possibly can be. When we were thinking through this program and doing our initial planning, it was and it is really important to us that our ambassador program is something that is truly beneficial to the people participating in it and is something they're excited to be a part of. We don't want it to be something that's purely transactional or, it's just like a line item on your resume. We want it to be helpful and exciting. And so we're planning to spend a lot of time talking to our pilot participants about that, understanding what their needs are and, where they could actually use help. And, based on that, we'll put together and make different resources available for them to ensure that our program is one that supports our ambassadors in the ways that they actually want to be supported and need to be supported. And in addition, we will have resources available for people who want to become ambassadors, but maybe haven't quite reached the experience level we're looking for. So we'll be sharing more information about the program and how it's going to work once the pilot program has wrapped up. If you have any questions or any, constructive feedback you'd like to share, you are welcome to message me on Twitter. My handle is @CaitlynTheFirst, and I believe it's up on the screen somewhere. And yeah, so thank you all so much for listening, and thank you for being part of the community.